Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. I love a good leather bag, and this one from ORNA'S Leather Art is so perfect.
This is a 100% leather bag and it is the perfect carry-all everyday tote. It is like a super practical design and I am so in love with the color of this. I have mine in the camel color and I think the detail of this bag is just extraordinary. I really love that the inside is this beautiful raw leather and it smells and feels so good. This bag is huge. It can fit so much and I love the square shape of the bottom because it is so easy to put things in and out and it stands up perfectly on its own. It is perfect to go with any outfit if you want to take it out for shopping for the day, have it for a night out. I think it's just perfect. I can fit literally so much stuff in this bag. I feel like Mary Poppins. I can put literally everything I own in here. I like that it has this small pocket on the top as well for your smaller items so you can just reach in and grab it. It not only works as a great handbag, but it fits super comfortably on your shoulder as well. It really is just the perfect all-around everyday bag that you can fit your entire life in while looking super stylish because it is so beautiful.
This is my new favorite Mary Poppins bag. It holds everything, and I am completely in love with it, and that is my point of view.